guys, this is Rick at Tasty Guitar. Today I'm going to be showing you a very cool sliding technique that you can use with bluesy double stops. Make sure you come by TastyGuitar.com to get the free tab on this lesson and check out the description below for information about membership. Tune up and let's get started. Three, four. Alright guys, let's go ahead and jump into this first example. We're starting by hitting dead strings on the and of beat 4. Now this is a shuffle feel, so that's like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Hit dead strings there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and. Then you're going to hit this shape right here at the 6th and 5th fret. Slide that up 1 fret until you get to the 7th and 6th fret, the D and F note, which is the 5th and flat 7 of G. You're going to slide that up and then hit this again on the and of the beat, and then you're going to slide it back down and then repeat. So this is going to be the pattern very, very slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything I'm going to be doing is also with a downstroke. 2, 3, 4. And then to finish this out, you're going to go to this double stop at the 5th fret. I'm playing that with my 3rd and 4th fingers, and then a barred 1st finger at the 3rd fret, and that's coming on beat 1 of the last measure. So here it is in its entirety. 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. A little bit quicker. 3, 4. Alright guys, this second example is using the exact same technique as the first, same phrasing even, but now we're up on a G6 chord here, sliding into that at the 12th fret, and then going down to a G9 chord, the top of that G9 chord there at the 10th fret. So here is this one very slow. I'm going to slide up into that 12th fret with the 3rd finger, and then end it right down there at the 10th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Again, everything there is with a downstroke. Speed it up a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. Alright guys, this last one is very similar, but this is actually the trickiest one of the bunch here. We're starting by sliding up to the 15th and 13th fret. That's the 5th and flat 7 of G again. Right on beat 1, they're going to hit it again on beat 2. Again, all downstrokes. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're then going to slide it down a half step and then back up. That is the pattern, and then you're going to repeat it a couple times. So far you would have this. Again. From there, you're going to try to slide this down as well, but it doesn't really work that way if you're going to use your 1st and 3rd finger, because you can't slide this down to this shape. So you can move this and play this with the 2nd and 1st finger if you want to get a cleaner slide. Right there. But I'm choosing to play this with my 3rd finger because that's a little bit more comfortable, and then it would be more of a hammer on there from the 3rd finger to the 2nd finger here. But I'm still sliding the 1st finger down. So it's a little bit of a tricky move. It takes some practice. Then you're going to slide this down 2 frets to this shape right here, the D and the B flat note. You're going to hit that, and then you're going to hit it again on the ands of the beat and kind of bend it up slightly. Bend that B flat up slightly, a quarter bend or maybe a half bend at the most. So here's what you're going to have all together. Again, real slow. Again, you can play with the first and second finger, makes it a little bit cleaner slide. And let's pick it up a little bit.